Social media can feel overwhelming with countless platform options, but for digital strategy professionals, the choice becomes clearer when focusing on maximum impact. Two platforms stand out as the most effective combination: LinkedIn and YouTube. These channels create the ideal foundation for building authority and reaching engaged audiences, particularly for those focused on practical digital strategies and professional development. LinkedIn emerges as the primary platform of choice, serving as the dominant hub for professionals seeking to advance their skills and stay current with digital trends. Its ecosystem naturally attracts decision makers and professionals actively seeking to enhance their digital expertise. The platform's unique strengths include exceptional organic reach for educational content, extended engagement periods, and an environment where demonstrating expertise quickly builds credibility. The professional network particularly excels at amplifying expertise among decision makers seeking guidance. Content creators in the digital strategy space find that LinkedIn rewards specific types of content that showcase practical knowledge. Success comes from sharing actionable checklists, mini case studies focusing on SEO or analytics, and tutorial-style content. PDF downloads and carousel posts that break down complex strategies into digestible frameworks perform particularly well. These formats encourage saves and shares, extending content lifespan and reach while positioning the creator as a trusted resource for ongoing engagement. YouTube serves as the perfect complement to LinkedIn, functioning as a powerful search engine for educational content. Its value lies in long-term discoverability. Videos can continue attracting viewers months or even years after publication. The platform excels at hosting detailed tutorials, tool demonstrations, and step-by-step guides that viewers can follow along with in real time. This search-driven discoverability ensures new viewers find relevant content month after month, making it an ideal platform for demonstrating practical skills. Content creators find particular success on YouTube with specific formats: detailed walkthroughs of digital tools, SEO setup guides, WordPress troubleshooting tutorials, and analytics configuration demonstrations. The visual nature of YouTube makes it ideal for showing rather than telling, helping viewers grasp complex concepts through practical examples. Live-stream Q&A sessions and on-screen workflows provide additional opportunities to engage with audiences seeking clear visual guidance. The synergy between these platforms creates a powerful digital presence. LinkedIn builds professional credibility and authority within your industry, while YouTube drives ongoing discovery and audience growth. This combination works particularly well because both platforms reward consistent, practical content that solves real problems. The extended shelf life of content on both platforms means tutorials and thought leadership pieces can continue generating value long after publication. Think of it this way: LinkedIn posts might introduce a concept or framework, while the corresponding YouTube video delivers an in-depth demonstration. This cross-platform approach allows content creators to meet their audience where they are, whether they prefer quick insights or detailed tutorials. The content can also be repurposed across platforms, with YouTube content being shared as shorts, community posts, or email embeds. For maximum impact, focus on creating content that plays to each platform's strengths. On LinkedIn, this means concise, actionable posts that demonstrate expertise and encourage professional discussion. The platform's high organic reach for educational and analytical content makes it perfect for sharing thought leadership pieces and practical frameworks. For YouTube, prioritize clear visual demonstrations that viewers can immediately apply to their work, leveraging the platform's strength in search-driven discoverability. The beauty of this two-platform strategy lies in its simplicity and scalability. Whether you're just starting out or managing a growing brand, these channels provide the perfect foundation for building authority in the digital strategy space. They offer the right mix of professional networking and educational content delivery, creating a sustainable path for long-term growth and influence. Remember, success on both platforms stems from consistently delivering practical value. Focus on creating content that solves real problems, demonstrates clear solutions, and helps your audience achieve tangible results in their digital strategy efforts. This approach naturally builds both authority and audience over time, creating a robust digital presence that continues to deliver value year after year. The combination of LinkedIn's professional authority and YouTube's discoverability creates a balanced and scalable foundation that works whether you're publishing weekly tips, launching tutorials, or growing a community of learners.